One of the things, and I always tie crypto to stocks, is because they are risk assets. We know that, right? Eventually, I truly believe in Bitcoin, and I believe it's the digital gold of the future. But right now, it's not. And I say this all the time, is that it started in 2009, we're in 2023. It is a 14-year-old, right? Are 14-year-olds logical? Are they digital gold? Are they like the place you run to for safety? No. They're adolescents. They're off the wall. They're volatile. They're risk assets. What I'm watching for is, do we take out 25,870? That is the lowest point in the last couple weeks. 2 hits, one here and one here. Okay? If we take that out, then you drop likely down just below 24,000.
Gareth Soloway, a prominent financial figure, possesses deep expertise in Bitcoin. He sees Bitcoin as a risk asset, suggesting its recent behavior indicates a market top rather than a bottom. Soloway anticipates a potential market revaluation that could drive Bitcoin's value down, contrasting the common belief in its continuous increase. Soloway focuses on the $30,500 level and suggests that breaking it would be bullish, with the market's lows likely at $15,700. He even speculates the possibility of Bitcoin declining further to $12,000, $13,000, or even $9,000. He highlights the presence of numerous useless digital assets, contributing to the prolonged crypto winter by flooding the market. Despite weekend gains being wiped out, Soloway remains disappointed with Bitcoin's price action. He considers the $30,500 level as a significant psychological threshold and emphasizes the need for a substantial move above it to change the market outlook. He sets a Bitcoin target of $24,000 and suggests a potential year and a half of stagnation before a significant upward movement.
Just want to give you guys your update on Bitcoin here. Bitcoin, again, you guys know I've been steadfast. I think personally 30,500 is the short-term top. I still am not convinced we're out of the bear market yet. I think that people that say we're out of the bear market are slightly jaded by hopes and dreams. I look at the charts. As long as we haven't taken out 30,500 and stayed above it, I'm in the camp that this is still going to come back down. All right, we did fall back there. We fell below it, okay? Now, notice how as we broke down over the weekend, number one, volume was light. Number two, it was a risk-on period because of the AI bubble and the AI craze. We went right back to that trend line on the charts, and then we pulled back here. 24,000 is your short-term target. Now, let's be clear. I'm a trader, all right? I have a short signal out in verified investing crypto. With Bitcoin, we're in the money. We're in the money on the Ethereum short. I would probably be covering my short right in this area. Okay, I might even flip it to a long for a quick trade. But a reminder out there, I'm telling you again what I likely will do. And number two is that I'm a short-term trader. So if I do decide to go long around 23,500, 23,007, then I would look for a bounce and I would exit. Because again, being a trader, you can be short-term bearish, but still take longs, and you could be long-term bullish and still take shorts. Like, it doesn't matter. You're trading the levels. You're trading probabilities. And by the way, the most freeing thing in the world is to trade inside of bigger cycles. So many people are like, oh, I'm only long or this or that. Okay, I'm okay with that. Again, especially for people that can't study charts, but there is a wealth of information that the charts give you that essentially can help you make money in bull markets, in bear markets, even when you're going counter trend, even going long in a bear market, even going short in a bull market.
According to Soloway, if we look back at the 2018 and 2019 bear markets, Bitcoin had larger rallies in terms of percentage gains. He cautions against being fooled by the current situation and reminds people not to forget this fact. Drawing from his experience in various markets, including commodities and stocks, he suggests that sometimes positive developments can mask underlying issues. Both Bitcoin and the stock market can be influenced by similar market sentiments and investor behavior. Positive news or developments in the cryptocurrency space, such as regulatory clarity or increased adoption, can generate optimism that spills over into other financial markets. This positive sentiment may drive investors towards both Bitcoin and stocks. On a positive note, the Nasdaq and S&P 500 recently closed at their highest levels since August, fueled by optimism over debt deals and the passage of bills. The S&P 500 is projected to end around 0.4% higher, reflecting positive market sentiment and potential investor optimism regarding economic indicators, corporate earnings, and other factors driving the stock market's performance.
Look at this chart. Bitcoin topped in 2017 on December 17th. 4 to 6 weeks later, the stock market, the S&P topped. Okay? So right there, that's number one. Now, let's go to this chart. In 2021, on November 10th, Bitcoin topped. 4 to 6 weeks later, the S&P topped as well. All right, boom. So you guys are starting to see a theme. And this is, by the way, this is what real technicians do. They look at the nuances of the chart. They find similarities. And one of the things that us as pros do, we don't put all our eggs in one basket. It's just because of this, it doesn't make me say, oh, well, you know, Bitcoin topped 4 to 6 weeks ago, so it 100% has to be. But what it does is it tells me probabilities, right? Probabilities are everything here, guys. So what we're going to do now, I want to just show you this. We're going to go to the Bitcoin chart, and I'll analyze it obviously shortly, and we're going to go to some other charts. But here's your Bitcoin daily chart. All right? In mid-April, we made the high. Okay? Now, where is the S&P 500? Let's look at the SPX here. The SPX, short term, possibly just made a high 4 to 6 weeks later. We're going to find out, obviously, over the next couple weeks if that's the case, if this follows the Bitcoin model. We're going to obviously keep an eye on that. But I just wanted to show you that is that there are these trends, there are these similarities between cycles. The reason, by the way, so the reason why these cycles work and they generally, if not repeat, they rhyme, is because do you know who's trading all of this stuff? People. Emotion. Greed and fear. So the greed and fear, the greed that was in the dot-com bubble in 99 was the same greed emotion that was in 2007 and the same greed emotion in 2021. So if you understand that, again, charts are replications of humans trading via emotion, it starts to make sense why history tends to rhyme, if not repeat.
Bitcoin, which had surpassed $30,000 earlier this year, has started to decline as we head into the summer. Over the past month, it has experienced a decrease of over 4%, causing some investors to worry that the crypto winter may not be fully over yet. Various online sportsbooks have made their cryptocurrency predictions for the end of 2023, setting a conservative projected price for Bitcoin at $21,000. However, some experts hold optimistic views on Bitcoin's future value. Balaji Srinivasan believes it will reach $1 million within 90 days, while Marshall Beard predicts it will hit $100,000 by the end of this year. This wraps up today's analysis. Do you agree with Gareth Soloway's perspective on whether Bitcoin is in a bear or bull market rally? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. For more daily dose crypto news, check out these 2 awesome videos on your screen. Click now and we will see you on the next video.